because learning to rewire your learning, thinking, and speaking patterns. This means to dive in and battle your true emotional world, so you can't have those who are constantly taken away from you around you while you're working on yourself. So if they happen to be family members, besties, somebody that you're in a romantic relationship with, it's time to cut bonds. So I need you to take a look at what words and phrases are toxic to you. Are they asking, requesting, or demanding in any way, shape, or form? That means it's not there to help you. And why is this important? Because of heart and mind coherence. So this connects with the second thing that we're going to be talking about today that is holding you back from your success and your manifestations. The universe only gives you what you believe is available. So my friend, your thoughts, your manifestation mantras, your prayers even, hold you back. Let me explain this nuanced way of changing your mindset to success and personal confidence. First, we all heard that what we tell ourselves does become reality. But what's not mentioned is the emotional truth behind all of this. This is why the negativity outweighs, because your emotions are stronger behind your negativity. So when you turn it around and think about your outcome is already achieved and live within that most benevolent moment, this is when you have heart and mind coherence and when you open the floodgates to success and manifestation. So again, you must feel like the greatest outcome has already happened. Because when your emotions and words align as truths eternally, without hindrance, you get the universe's attention, and all your ingredients of greatness shall be provided. However, this means that the universe will only allow you to succeed within your own mental beliefs and constraints. So speaking very positive language just isn't enough. You must feel it in your soul, vibrating through every cell inside your body. But how do you know where to start? Ask yourself this one question. What do you deserve in life right now? Was there an underlay of needing to earn that still? That's the programmed parts of you from society conflicting with your true self and gaslighting yourself. The fear of greatness and success programmed in us all. So let's see how these words actually play out. Trigger warning, I will be using the examples of prayers inside this one because this is something that I believe most of you are getting completely wrong. And here's proof why I believe most of your prayers are actually curses. So I don't want you praying for me. Yes, that's a verbal slap, but let me explain. Most of your prayers are asking, requesting, even demanding. All these thinking and speech patterns have one common thread of failure. The fact that you're asking for any one thing and requesting for it tells the universe that, nah, it's not there to be provided to you. So what does this sound like? Please help us. Or take me instead. Or you better help before I... So as you see, asking, requesting, and demanding are all negative speaking traits. The universe ignores this. You must uplift, heal, and encourage with inside your mantras and prayers. For speaking for success and manifestation sounds like this. Thank you for healing us through these trials of life, and I know we are stronger because of it. Thank you for choosing me through all of these struggles to find my greatness, just to learn my truest potential. And if you happen to be going through grief, simply say, thank you for the time that I had with my loved one, and they shall live on within me as I take over their strengths throughout the rest of my life. For all of these examples, acknowledge the issue, accept the pain, but applied action to staying within the light. Notice that these examples never allowed you to dwell within the darkness or in its pain. Instead, acknowledging it, accepting it, and applying action of its wisdom to the rest of your life. This is your rock bottom's gift to you of strength, integrity, and endurance. All bridges and catalysts to your greatness. So what you think and speak combined with your greatest emotion at that time will give rise to your success and manifestations. Or you can allow your words to bind and gaslight yourself. It is up to you because only you can do the work, my friend. I do have a link down below in the description box for my AAA effect for if you want a deeper dive of the acknowledge, accept, and apply action portion of this video. Because remember, Only you can do the work to change for your greatness. I believe in you because you are still here. So be kind out there in your journeys because you are loved, and have a blessed day.